Hi, this is a question that was asked by one of the students on our Telegram group. Uh, so let's analyze the question. If log 54 base n is equal to a and log 72 base n equals b, find the value of log 1728 base n in terms of a and b. Now, before proceeding to the options, one thing that I immediately notice is that the bases are the same everywhere. Wonderful. So that is good news. And yeah, so moving on. Another thing that I notice is that you have 54, which is divisible by 9. This is 72 divisible by 9. 1728, sum of digits is divisible by 9. You should do these checks very quickly. So because these numbers are divisible by 9 and all that, suddenly a thought strikes me, and I get this idea that, oh, prime factorization is a very useful thing. So why not do that, right? So let's say log of 54 base n is equal to a. This means a is log of 54 is 27 into 2, 27 is 3 cube into 2 to the power 1. All right. And this a will be used here, 15a here, minus 3a here, 27a here, minus 27a. Okay. Now b similarly is log 72 base n. So b will be log base n. 72 is 8 into 9. This is 8 into 9. Perfect. So now um, let's take option A. Okay, so in this particular question, what we will do is we will test the options. The maximum number of attempts for you would be 3, right? So if you, let's say, worst case scenario would be you test option A, test option B, test option C. None of them work, so answer should be option D. Don't have this habit of, your calculation should be so assuring to you that once you have calculated option A, once you have calculated B and C, you should not revisit and see those. Or let's say you don't feel the need to calculate option D. That is how good your preparation should be, right? Anyway, moving ahead. So option A says 15A minus 7B. So 15 is you're putting a 15 here, right? And that will go to the power, right? So that is the idea. So 15 makes it log base n 3 to the power 3 into 15, that is 45, and 2 to the power 15. This is what you are getting, minus log base n minus of 7b. So when you are putting a 7 here, right, it will go to the power. So you put a 7 there, it becomes 2 to the power 21 into 3 to the power 14. Now you remember the properties of logs. When you have the bases same and there is a subtraction, that is nothing but log base n 3 to the power 45. See, all these things should be done in your head. I'm writing it for the sake of everybody. 3 to the power 14, right? And this is 2 to the power 21. Yeah, this is what we are getting. So now you can see when you cancel 2 here, the denominator has 2's, right? So it will not give me 1728, this number, because remember this thing, just for your sake you can do this, that log of base n 1728. So this is nothing but base n. 1728 is 12 cube. 12 cube. So this will be log base n. This is 12 is 4 into 3, 2 squared. This becomes 2 to the power 6 into, there is 3 to the power 3. This is the kind of number you should get, or sub multiple. Power of 2 will be 6. But in option A, as you can see, there is 2 in the denominator. So option A is not the answer, right? Okay, so moving on, let's say we try option B. Option B is 15b minus 3a. We will evaluate that first. 15b minus 3a. 15 times b, 15 is here. 15 would be making it 2 to the power 15 is 45 and 3 to the power 30. And straight away I'll divide this. Now I will not do this log base and thing, right? So I'll just divide and see. 2 to the power 45, 3 to the power 30 minus 3a. Minus 3a. So this becomes 3 to the power 9 into 2 to the power 3. This gives me values. You can see when you cancel this, this is 2 to the power 42, this is 3 to the power 21, and this is nothing but 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power this 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. This is 7. All right, and our 1728 was how much? This was 12 cube. This is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3. So the answer is option B. I hope this one helped. Thank you.